Topical Talk's gonna show you how to unlink EA account from Xbox. Follow these easy steps to do it. Open your Xbox and click on your profile and click on View Profile, and you will jump into your Xbox profile page. Here, click on Settings. Scroll down. Here you will get EA. So to unlink your EA account from your Xbox, click on Manage, and you will jump into this page on your browser. And here you have to sign into your EA account. I've already signed into my account, so here showing up my EA account profile. If you didn't sign in, just click on Sign in to sign in. Once done, click on Manage my account and click on Link or Unlink my EA account. And you will jump into this Connected Accounts page. Here you will get Xbox. As you can see, my Xbox profile has been linked here. So to unlink my Xbox from EA, clicking on Unlink, and in order to unlink your Xbox, you have to verify your EA account email address. So click on Send Security Code and then go to your Gmail, and here you will get this mail. Just copy this verification code and paste it here and click on Submit. And now you'll get this pop-up. Here check this box, I understand and wish to continue, and click on Unlink. And as you can see, I've successfully unlinked my EA account from Xbox. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Topical Talk. See you in the next video.